Hey guys, so it is the 27th and it's Sunday. Right now it is around 4 o'clock and I got off work at 3 and I got home and I am gonna start doing some homework that's not due till Wednesday, but I just want to get it done. But yeah, I'm just gonna do some reading for my communications class, a document project for my history class, and I'm gonna start on this online stuff maybe for my class for teaching a diverse society. So like I said, I want to do the document project for history, my communication readings, and maybe edit some videos. And then this stuff, it's for a global competence certificate, and we just do online stuff. And it's for my teaching a diverse society class. Today it is Monday and it is 10:30. I'm heading to campus. Hopefully I can find a good parking spot this morning, but it's not very cold outside today, which is awesome. It's like 40 degrees, which is so much nicer than it's been, but tomorrow it's supposed to drop to like -1 or -5 or something like that, so that's awesome. Hey guys, so it is 12 o'clock now and I'm done with my classroom communications class, and now I'm just heading home, but I need to stop at Walmart first because I need to get a protractor for my math class, and I've just been like putting it off, so I'm just gonna go today and get one, hopefully. Okay, so right now I have my food and it just has like rice, chicken, some green beans or whatever those are, carrots and stuff, and then I'm gonna go through this and hole punch everything and staple everything. And I don't really like this binder just because it's like really hard to like take these out and stuff, but I think I'm gonna switch this stuff into that pink binder over there because that's just like a normal binder, and I think I'm just gonna take out the whatever these are called, because I like them, because they have, or a couple of them, like they have pockets and then they have those little things. History class, she always puts the notes online, and I just always like type them out on my laptop, but I decided that I'm gonna print them off because I feel like that will be easier to study for when I have like tests and stuff. So I just printed chapter 14 and 15, and then we have class today, so we'll probably do chapter 16 notes, and then when those get finished, I'll print those out, and then I'm just gonna put them in this binder. Hey guys, so it is 1:34 right now, and I am just heading back to campus. I keep forgetting to fix my stupid tire that's in the back, but I get done with class at 2:50, and then after that I'm gonna go to Colin's house and we're gonna go work out as soon as I get done with class. Guys, so I'm done with class and I'm just walking to my car right now, and it is raining out, which is annoying, and it is kind of getting more cold. Tomorrow it's supposed to be pretty cold, I think, and then Wednesday it's supposed to be like in the negatives, so that's awesome. But it's kind of chilly right now, so I'm just trying to walk fast and get to my car because I'm cold. Hey guys, so I just did the elliptical for a mile and I'm tired. I did it faster than I did it last time, which is good, but I'm in the bathroom right now. I gotta use the bathroom, and then I'm gonna go down and do some leg stuff and some ab stuff. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. It's freezing outside. I don't know the exact temperature, but it's really cold. Hey guys, so I'm done with class, and let me see what time it is. It's about 12:51 right now, and they already canceled class for tomorrow because it's apparently supposed to feel like negative like 50. Just like really low negatives. So they canceled class, and I went and got me some Wingstop. Wingstop is one of my favorite places now. It's kind of expensive, but it's so good. Hey guys, today is Wednesday and class got canceled because it is so cold out. It was like, right now it feels like negative 19. And this morning it felt like negative like 35 or something. So they canceled class, but right now we're going to Kohl's to return some of his jeans, and because they ripped and he's only had them for like a month. But yeah, we're just going to Kohl's. Hey guys, today is Thursday and I didn't have class today either. I would have had my math class, but I decided not to go to that just because my math is like very easy, and I also wasn't really feeling well this morning. Last night I didn't get any sleep because I went to bed early, but then I woke up like feeling like I was like gonna get sick. So I ended up like not getting any sleep last night, and I don't know why I felt like that last night. We went to Texas Roadhouse, but we all got the same thing. So I'm like, if that would have got me sick, I feel like that would have got like everybody else sick also. So I don't know why I felt like that, but I was up pretty late just because I just didn't feel good. All we were doing today was like something online, and he said he's gonna like post it later for me to do. So it's all good. And right now it's about 1 o'clock, and I'm going home. I stopped and got me some iced coffee just because I've been really wanting some recently. I haven't had Starbucks iced coffee in a while. Hey guys, so I'm home now, and I'm trying to figure out a way to fix that storage up there with my sweaters because it just looks horrible. But I don't have any like cute looking storage bins like the one that's up here, or just plain black ones like down here. So I found this, and I'm just gonna use this for right now. This literally my cheer bows from high school, and I just really have an excessive amount, and I don't want to throw them away because maybe when I have a kid she might like bows or something and I could use them for her. But I just have an excessive amount. I'm just gonna put these in like a plastic bag and like put them back there in my closet with some Christmas storage. So I had 2 sweater dresses that I'm decided to hang up just because they're like super big and took up a lot of space. So I just put them in here like sideways, and obviously it doesn't store that much, but it'll make it look a little bit better. And then I found this one also, and I just put 3 in there, so I'm just gonna put those up. So it obviously isn't the prettiest for right now, but it's looking better than just having them all laying down. So I'm just writing things in my planner of what I want to do. For my communications, I just need to make the note card for my speech. My English, I want to do online homework, but I emailed her to try to like get more clarification on what to do, and she hasn't emailed me back yet. For my teaching in a diverse society class, I need to do the online GCC stuff. I need to watch this video online which is also not working, and read chapter 3. So I'm just, well, right now I'm looking at trying to figure out somewhere to eat with my sister because she's trying to make me decide where to go. We're going to this place called Healthy Food Cafe and Juice Bar. Their menu looked pretty good. We looked at it online. Like, build your own salad. That is so cool. And they also have a healthy vending machine. It's so cool. So yeah, so we went there and I got just a Caesar chicken salad, and then Darcy got, what'd you get?
Like a, I don't even know what it was called, but it was like
some kind of like Mexican salad as like black beans, tortilla things, and like a spicy mayo dressing.
and a mango smoothie.
And a mango smoothie. But this place is so cool because, so I just went up and ordered mine. I should have did it how Darcy did it because it was cool, but Darcy did it in this like a vending machine. I showed it, and you could create your own salad, and they're open, that thing is open 24/7. And there's also like the vending machine with like healthy stuff, and there was like
I cannot see them.
It's all right. There's also another vending machine that has that has like the stir fry, like the lady was telling us that. My fork just fell in my bag. But it has like stir fry and juices, and you can just take that home and microwave it. And that's,
She said that they're getting a smoothie one.
yeah, they're getting a smoothie one that will be open 24 hours also, which is so cool. Hey guys, today is Friday and it's 10 o'clock. It's about 10:17 and I'm on my way to campus. I left a little early just in case the roads are slick because it did snow this morning, or it snowed like last night and like in the middle of the night. I don't think they're very slick. They're kind of wet, but I don't know. I'm just gonna be careful. Hey guys, it's Friday night at 8:20, and right now me and Colin are just cooking some dinner. We're making some deer steaks, you could call them, but we're making them on that instead of grilling them. And so making us some mashed potatoes. I'll show you the deer. Oh, we're putting some onions with the mashed potatoes. I mean the deer. So we're just having a nice date night. An indoor date night. Because it's snowy.